Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're talking about remote start on Chevy products, Sonics, Cruzes, Equinox, any kind of Chevrolet that has a key fob like this with the remote start button here. You may not know you even have one. The person that owned this car didn't know. All right, but here, let me show you what you do with this one. On this particular meter, you lock it, and then you hit it, the remote start right away. You heard that noise? Okay, so most people don't know. Okay, well, I guess I don't have what the hell was that? All right, so a lot of times there could be a problem with the remote start, but other times people don't realize that the hood has to be down, okay? The engine on cars that have electronic oil levels, the oil, believe it or not, has to be at the proper level. All the doors have to be closed and locked. And if you have a check engine light on, it won't start. Okay, perfect example. This car does have a check engine light on, and it won't start. Now, I'm going to show you. Oil level is good on this, but this doesn't have electronic oil level, but your car may have that. So all of those things have to be checked. Anything that if the car would start by itself, let's say if it had no oil, that's bad. Or if the doors are open, somebody, well, that's bad. The hood can't be open because it could blow up. All of these things, that's probably why it won't go on, and it's going to sound like this when you hit it. All right. So now I'm going to go in the car. I'm doing another video on this car, but it has that code. But anyway, I'm going to clear the code, and I'm going to show you. I just cleared the codes. All right. Now we have no codes. No codes right now. All right. So now I'm going to shut it off. All right. And let's get out of the car. Okay, so now with this remote, what you do is you lock the doors, and as soon as you lock the doors, you hold the remote start button for 4 seconds or 5 seconds. All right, lock, hold it, and there she starts. And then you just hold it again if you want to shut it off. And now you got your remote start. So a lot of people may not know that. If you have codes in your car or something like that, you may think that the remote start never worked. This is a video to show you it probably will. All right, guys, that's just a tip. Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions below pertaining to the video, you leave them. I answer all my questions, get back to everybody. And I see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.